Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do an easy teriyaki chicken casserole. This is traditionally kind of a rice-based casserole, but we're using cauli rice today and a different variety of vegetables than maybe you would traditionally see in this particular recipe. I'm using that teriyaki sauce that I showed you how to make in a previous video. And I hope this comes together so fast. I hope that you guys will enjoy this as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Hi everybody, welcome back. I have lost the footage for the taste test. I'm so sorry. So I don't have a taste test for you. This casserole turned out really well. What I would say is I like it even with a bit more teriyaki sauce at the end. So like I would dish it up and then drizzle a little bit over top. It was super filling. It's all vegetables and meat. The only sugar in it is from the teriyaki sauce itself. I also would say that if you don't want to do the whole casserole, just making the teriyaki chicken like in the Instant Pot or in the oven, delicious. So if you just want to make that up, put that in the fridge for a prep thing and have it for salads or whatnot or wraps throughout the week, really, really good just on its own. So I hope that you guys like this recipe as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, everyone, thanks.